Hi there, space explorers. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? We all know about the stars and planets, but there's something else up there, something we don't see as often: space junk. That's right, folks, space junk. It's a real problem and it's getting bigger every day. Imagine a messy room, but instead of clothes and toys, it's filled with old satellites, rocket parts, and even lost tools from astronauts. This cosmic clutter is a problem we need to tackle. This junk doesn't just stay put either. It zips around our planet at super fast speeds, making it a potential hazard for everything else up there. Imagine a game of cosmic dodgeball, but with real consequences, so buckle up as we explore the issue of space junk and why keeping our cosmic backyard clean is crucial for everyone. Just how much junk are we talking about? Well, hold on to your hats. There are millions of pieces of space debris orbiting Earth, ranging from tiny flecks of paint to defunct satellites the size of buses. That's a lot of stuff whizzing around our planet. Where does it all come from, you ask? It's a combination of human activity in space and the unfortunate consequences of things not always going according to plan. Old satellites that have stopped working, parts of rockets that were used to launch things into space, and even tools dropped by astronauts during spacewalks all contribute to this growing problem. Imagine losing your wrench while fixing something in space. It becomes a projectile. It might sound funny, but it's a serious issue. You might be thinking, it's just a bunch of junk floating around. What's the big deal? Well, this space junk poses a real danger to the technology we rely on every single day. Think about it. We depend on satellites for communication, weather forecasting, GPS navigation, and much more. These satellites are essential for us to stay connected, informed, and on track. Now, imagine a piece of space debris colliding with one of these vital satellites. The damage could be catastrophic, leading to disruptions in communication networks, inaccurate weather predictions, and even malfunctions in navigation systems. It's like throwing a wrench into the gears of our technological world, and the consequences can be far-reaching. Here's where things get even more concerning. Scientists worry about something called the Kessler Syndrome. This is a scary scenario where one collision in space creates more debris, which then causes more collisions, leading to a chain reaction that could make space unusable for generations. Imagine a domino effect, but with pieces of metal whizzing around at thousands of miles per hour. Not a pretty picture, right? This isn't just a science fiction movie plot, it's a real possibility if we don't take action. This cascade of collisions could create a dense belt of debris around Earth, making it incredibly risky and expensive to launch anything new into space. It would be like trying to navigate a minefield, but with much higher stakes. Don't despair, space fans, there is hope. Smart people around the world are working on ways to tackle this space junk problem. Some are developing space cleanup missions, like robotic arms that can grab and dispose of large pieces of debris, or even using lasers to nudge smaller pieces into the atmosphere where they'll burn up. It's like giving our planet a cosmic spring cleaning. Others are focusing on prevention. This involves designing satellites and rockets that are less likely to create debris in the first place, and encouraging international cooperation to establish rules and guidelines for responsible space activities. It's all about being good cosmic citizens and keeping our celestial neighborhood tidy. Remember, keeping space clean isn't just about protecting our technology. It's about ensuring that future generations can continue to explore and learn from the cosmos. So let's all do our part to keep our eyes on the skies and support efforts to tackle this growing problem. After all, space belongs to everyone. Stay curious.